Welcome back to the show, guys. This week we're in New Kingston on Belmont Road. Now in this week's Talent on the Rise segment, let's meet Kemar Haikon.
Me not change the money. No, me not gonna do that. Me say, oh gosh, big up every youth with a dream. Stay true to this thing, don't stop.
Musically, I feel like I'm different on all aspects in terms of diversity. You know what I mean? I'm a dancehall artist, but I don't box myself in one genre. You know what I mean? I just do music overall. Music has always been a part of my life from a tender age. You know what I mean? My father had a large musical collection. So from a young age, I was just influenced by music. So I grew up on music, so it's naturally a part of me. Grew up in Jamaica, of course, between Spanish Town and Portmore. I went to Our Lady of the Angels Prep, migrated, came back, went to St. Jago High School and migrated again. And then did some college, never finished college. I did 2 years and then I stopped, and then it's been music since then. Music for me is more than music, you know what I mean? It's a way of expressing myself. It defines me as a person, you know what I mean? It's an art that I'm attached to. So I feel like I can live through music, you know what I mean? And if I can live through music, it can be my way of living. First producer was actually Trackstar. You guys would probably be familiar with Trackstar now. He has a song out right now that's doing very well. You know what I mean? The first single for me was a song called Every Girl of Mine, which it wasn't a big song, but it was a song that gave me attention within my community that I lived in abroad. Growing up, I always grew with both parents, you know what I mean? Mother chose to migrate, and in the midst of she migrating, we did, I think, me and my twin sister, my younger brother, we did probably, I want to say a year, you know, and then we decided to come back as my daddy requested us to come back, finish high school and that type of thing. So I would say I still had the opportunity to grow with both parents, you know what I mean? So that was a major thing for my parents, for both parents to be a part of our lives. His name is Kemar, last name Woodfine. My name, Kemar Haikon, was actually given to me by a good friend of mine, you know what I mean? We basically grew up together, Carcel Franciva. The name basically was given to me for just one day, you know, he came to me and said, yo, I think you should really take music serious, you know what I mean? And he was like, yo, your name Kemar Haikon, and that was basically the lines of the name. I think I've grown tremendously. I can't wait for the world to see it in terms of the new projects I have and the new tracks I have, you know, so much in store. And I feel like I've seen it myself, you know what I mean? I feel it myself that I've grown so much, you know what I mean? And based on the feedback I've been getting from people, it's evident.
What was it like being on the Summerfest stage? I mean, how did it build your confidence, so to speak?
I mean, to begin with, I was always a confident person, but a platform such as Summerfest, it is something that you have to be prepared for mentally, and I felt like I did most of that, you know, mentally I was prepared for it. There are some things that I wasn't pleased with at the moment, but it comes with growth, you understand me? Of course, first performance on such a big stage, you know what I mean? I was actually booked for the event and not called up by somebody. Inspiration for me is just anything around me in the world, you understand me? There's so much people that inspire me. If I start calling names right now, somebody name I got left off, you understand me? So there's so much things around me that I use as inspiration, motivation, you understand me? There's people out there that actually motivate me also, you understand me? And there's a lot of people that I look up to, people that mentor me. So if I ever start calling names, I won't stop. Just big up to everybody where motivate me.
Go Harder by Don Vital is this week's music video premiere of the week. Let's check it out.
Hey Nico, man I go out cause good life come with expense. Some little artists out the road them even make sense. Try the straight road meanwhile some a take fence. Me no follow me lead out and me set trends. Link style and me never spend a red cent. Girl I run the and me even say a sentence. Go touch the street with my family and my dead friends. Me go hard to the extent. Man I go harder, so harder than before. Dying to reach my goals. Man, I go harder, so harder. Tell them open up the door. Them know how we take control. No, yo, solitaire. We are the realest in the street. Hard man I work 7 days in the week. Try stop my food, them face meet the concrete. Get to use a rise, them no want see we reach, no want see we stand firm on we feet. Them rather see we fall like the leaf from the tree. Time expensive and lifestyle not cheap. Till they do a spark music, me still a do it, me still a do it. Get to you stay strong and go feel where you want. Keep focus and make them tell us say you can. When me looking at the mirror, me see a star. Me looking at the mirror and me see a star. So me know my dreams close, you know they far. Make them know every ghetto I was superstar. No follow friends, be yourself cause that's who you are. That's who you are.
John, the inviter. What go on, man?
There, man. There, man.
Mucho.
Yeah, man. Everything up,
Long
man.
time don't see you, man.
There, man.
Thing I go on good enough.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I tell you, see you, I have a charge of a new.
After the break, we meet the finalists of the 2018 Miss Jamaica World Pageant, and we head to Portmore for the Brunswick Roadshow. We'll be right back.
We're all passionate about something. Work, play. Your body needs nutrition to fuel your passion. When was the last time you had 3 square meals a day? So when you're far away from food, you can nutrify yourself. When you don't have time for lunch, nutrify yourself.
Packed with 14 grams of protein, fiber, over 20 vitamins and minerals, and costs about 75% less than leading meal replacement drinks. It's non-stop nutrition for your non-stop life.
Lasco continues to reduce the cost of living.